guys, today I am back with a DIY project and let's get started. I don't want this video to be too long. Here I have my blank mirror canvas. My other DIY mirror project, I will link it right here in the card somewhere up top, so please be sure to check out that video next if you did not see this. All supplies are from the Dollar Tree. Hello Kitty stickers, and it's actually from the brand Sanrio. And I'm gonna add this Hello Kitty right here with the balloon. Now I'm just pressing it down. At a slant. So I'm just gonna put the ice cream right there. I'm thinking about putting the hey on top of the gorgeous, so it'll be like, hey gorgeous, you know what I mean? I'm going to put sweet thing on her shirt. I'm gonna put that donut right there. I'm gonna add this little cupcake right here. Gonna be my last sticker, which will be this Sunday right here. Okay, I'm gonna add this polish that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Is by the Kiss Gel Strong, and the color is called +1. I actually have that on my nails. I actually have that on my nails right now. So this is a good way to use up your nail polish if you're not really a nail polish person. That's what I do. Because I don't never finish my nail polish bottles. Ever. I never do. And then they just go to waste. So this is a good way to get use of it. Alright, I think that's enough I'm gonna use for now, because I don't want to use all my my gold polish. Alright, I'm not trying to use all of it, because you know I gotta get my nails. But oh my god, it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm gonna go in with the gemstone stickers. Just, you know, add some to the tail. Guys, this is the final look of my Hello Kitty mirror. So this act like I'm putting on some lip gloss or something. I like it. I love Hello Kitty. Let me know what y'all think.